Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hairstyle, I'm going to do an upside down French braid and a bun as well. It's kind of like a boho look, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to it. So to start this upside down French braid, you will need to flip your head over, and it is really important that you brush all of your hair to avoid any tangles or knots whilst you're doing the braid. I generally use my fingers to comb my hair, but for this hairstyle it's best to use a proper comb as you can really tell the difference, trust me. This is a normal French braid but just upside down. I actually did a tutorial on this, how to do a French braid, which I'll put in the link in the description box below in case you'd like to watch that too. So you want to start from the nape of your neck and grab a section of hair and divide it into 3 equal pieces. Use the gaps in your fingers to help differentiate and separate the 3 strands of hair. Remember that a French braid means the outer strand should always cross over the middle strand. When you're adding a piece of hair to the outer strand, use your thumbs to really reach over to the sides of your head to get every inch of hair. It will be difficult if this is your first time doing this, simply because you can't use a mirror to see what's going on, but a little tip is to actually visualize what is going on at the back of your head. Try to understand where and what your hands are doing, and it will help you to do this upside down braid. It's not easy, but a little practice is all it takes. So once you get to the desired length, mine is just below the crown of my head, you can do a normal 3-strand braid until you get to the end of your hair. For the bun, grab the remaining hair, gently twist and wrap it around the end of the French braid and tie off a hairband. You can use hair slice to secure it tightly to your head, and that's it. I like to just pull a few strands to frame my face. Okay, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed that hairstyle, and you can also wear it for festivals, or you can wear it just as a daily going out. You can actually take the plait out and wrap it around, or you can keep the plait in. I just prefer to keep the plait in because it's a lot of hard work to do it upside down, so I want to keep it as long as I can. So you can wear it with different headbands, or with flowery one if you're feeling flowery, or a bandana like this, or you could even wear a headband like this if you're into that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys like the look. If you have any more hairstyles, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.